My dear sweet, loving, adorable assimilators, welcome back. My dear, I'm Anpitka, your English teacher. Gonna give you a very simple task today. Okay? And what is that? That is, we are having very good. The easiest explanation of informal letter. So I'm gonna teach you how to write an informal letter. So you need to focus, okay? Beta ji, you need to have proper concentration. See the first situation that they have given to us. As an informal letter, they have given the question. Your friend is only worried about his her studies. आपका मित्र, आपका दोस्त, आपकी सहेली, ओके, वरीड है, ठीक है बुटू, किसके लिए? ओनली स्टडीज एंड डजंट केयर फॉर हिज और हर हेल्थ, अपनी सेहत की परवाह नहीं करते. राइट अ लेटर टू योर फ्रेंड, अपने दोस्त को, अपनी फ्रेंड को लेटर लिखो, गाइडिंग हिम और हर, ठीक है, उसको गाइड करें अबाउट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ हेल्थ एंड एडवाइजिंग हिम और हर to maintain a proper balance between studies and health. Okay, dear? So what we gonna do? First of all, we are having here, yes, we have address. Yes, this is the starting point of our letter. Starting point here, a sender's address. Okay, Beta ji, in informal letter, we're gonna have only one address, and if this is the formal only, okay, then there two addresses will work. So here, see, you can go with any address, but here I have also given the simplest one. Listen, house number 21, Rose Garden, Amritsar. If you want to have more easier than it, then you're gonna go with 16 more road and your village name. Okay, only this much is enough. Now these two lines beta here meant for the address only. Okay, after that, it is mandatory to skip here one line. Leave one line. Okay, Puttu? In Hindi, Puttu ji, बेटा एड्रेस हम इतना ही देंगे, हाउस नंबर 21, रोज गार्डन, अमृतसर. उसके बाद हमने एक लाइन यहाँ पे लीव करनी है. ओके, देन डेट 12th May 2025. ओके, तो आफ्टर डेट ऑल्सो बेटा लीव वन मोर लाइन. ओके, देन Dear Ria, salutation. Okay. Dear Ria, don't write here the word friend. Dear friend, no need to write. Just write the name, specific name of the person to whom you're gonna address this letter. Again, leave one line. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I was a little worried when I heard from your brother that you are not taking care of your health and only studying all the time. ठीक है बेटा जी, मैं बहुत चिंता में था या चिंता में थी जब मैंने आप तुम्हारे ब्रदर से सुना कि तुम अपनी हेल्थ की बिल्कुल भी केयर नहीं कर रही हो, बस ओनली जस्ट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, जस्ट स्टडी ऑल द टाइम. ओके, concentrate on your studies. Next, dear friend, next paragraph. Okay, at least but a 3 paragraph should be there in informal letter. Okay, dear friend, studies are important, but health is even more important. If you fall sick, you won't be able to study, okay, or enjoy anything. Won't means नहीं होगे. Okay, अगर आप बीमार हो जाओगे तो आप बेटा कुछ भी enjoy नहीं कर पाओगे और अपनी studies को भी बेटा continue नहीं रख पाओगे. Our body needs rest. बेटा हमारी बॉडी को क्या किस चीज की बहुत ज्यादा मस्ट बेटा जी नीड है, रिक्वायरमेंट है, दैट इज रेस्ट. गुड फूड ऑल्सो एंड सम फन टू. ओके, एंजॉयमेंट ऑल्सो शुड बी देयर. नेक्स्ट पैरा, प्लीज ईट योर मील्स ऑन टाइम. ओके, नाउ सजेशंस ऑल्सो. फर्स्टली वी हैव डिस्कस द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, वी हैव टोल्ड टू आवर फ्रेंड अबाउट द मेन प्रॉब्लम. नाउ beta, some suggestions also we will give to him or her, okay, from our own side. Please eat your meal on time, take short breaks, play in the evening, and get enough sleep. A healthy body helps the brain work better. Trust me, you will do even better in studies if you stay healthy and happy. Okay, now the next. Next, the third para. Okay. Take care of yourself. I want to see you smiling and full of energy when we meet next. Okay. Then again leave one line. Then the last salutations. Your loving friend ending. Okay. Comma. Tanu. Okay, you may write here your own name. So my dear, let's see the whole informal letter once again. Here address should be given Putu. After that we're gonna leave one line here. Then date. After date again it's mandatory to leave line. Then salutation, your friend's name. Okay. Dear Manpreet, Divya, like that, and comma is mandatory here. Need to put comma. After that, how are you? Question mark is mandatory here because this is the question. Okay. I hope you are doing well. I was a little worried, like blah, everything, okay, that I have mentioned earlier. And at the last, your loving friend, Tanu, okay. I hope you have understood this letter, but don't go, my dear, anywhere else. Just stay here, okay. You know why? I have one more informal letter, yes, but here, the Putuji situation is different. It's opposite, okay. See how? You guide your cousin about value of studies. Now we're gonna write one letter to our cousin who doesn't care about studies, okay, and just only focus on playing games, okay, whether outside or inside, okay. So how to guide? बेटा जी इसमें इस लेटर में हम क्या देख रहे हैं? पहली वाली लेटर में हमने देखा था कि वो जो हमारा फ्रेंड है, ओके, क्या करता है? स्टडीज़ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूरियस है और बिल्कुल भी हेल्थ पर ध्यान नहीं देता। अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं पुतू? कज़न को लिख रहे हैं, ओके, कज़न को लिख रहे हैं और उसको क्या बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ तो वैल्यू करो स्टडीज़ की, सारा दिन खेलता ही रहता है वो, ओके। तो सी हाउ टू राइट। House number 45, Moore Road, Amritsar. This is another way to write an address, okay? So here, beta, after this address, again important thing. What's that? I know you have grabbed, okay? What's that? Leaving the line, okay? Here we're gonna leave the line. We're gonna leave the line. After that, oh, we shouldn't write this word date, okay? Skip it, okay? You will not write this date, Putu. Just start with only 12 May 2025 like this, okay? Dear Manpreet Kaur, okay, ये आपकी वो friend है, cousin है, sorry, okay, cousin है. Now again, Putu ji, one line leave. I hope you are in pink of your health and spirit. मुझे आस है कि तुम अपनी सेहत में अच्छे होंगे, okay, होगी, okay. I recently came to know from your friend. मुझे अभी अभी तुम्हारे फ्रेंड से पता चला है that you have been neglecting your studies, कि तुम तो अपनी स्टडीज को नजरअंदाज कर रही हो. This really worried me. इस बात ने तो मुझे चिंतित कर दिया है. So I thought of writing to you. इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि तुमको लिख के कुछ अच्छी बात, कुछ गाइडेंस दूं कि अरे भाई स्टडीज भी देखो और साथ में गेम्स भी देखो. both should have, okay, in a balanced way we should have. Now the next para, okay. You know how important education is in today's world. तुम्हें पता ही है आजकल की दुनिया में एजुकेशन की कितनी वैल्यू है. It not only helps us build a better future but also makes us confident, independent and respected. Okay, these are very excellent words, splendid words that you're gonna add in your letter, okay. Without proper knowledge and hard work, it becomes difficult to achieve our dreams. I know you are the smart and capable. You just need a little focus and regular effort. Start next para Putu. Start with a simple study routine. Revise your lessons daily. Now suggestions. Okay, in the third para, we always give some suggestions from our side. Firstly, beta ji, the starting line, introductory line. Then here, beta ji, main problem कि why we are writing this letter. Okay, we need to expand that things. Okay, with some special lines. After that, third para, suggestion. Okay, suggestions are beta ji here, beta ji, focused on this one, third one. Okay, revise your lesson daily and don't hesitate to ask for help whenever needed. I am always here to support and guide you. Now the last, Okay, the ending line. First, see, this was the introductory line, then starting line, then this is the ending line. Please take this seriously and promise me that you will pay attention to your studies, make your parents and all of us proud. Okay, take care and write back soon. Here you can beta also add exclamatory sign also if you wanna. Okay, then again leave line, then again the ending salutations. Here also salutations, dear Manpreet Kaur, comma, and here with love, exclamatory sign also you can put here. Okay, Putu. After that, your caring cousin. Now we were writing this letter to our cousin. Okay, for cousin here we can also write the cousin. Okay, downside your name. Okay, Putuji, I hope you have understood. So my dear, subscribe, press bell icon also. Okay, bye bye. Love you. I hope, bachi, you will learn these letters. Okay, and next letter you gonna make with your own effort. Okay, whatever the next situation comes to you, you will be definitely able after learning these letters, both these letters. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.